Good day, everyone. My name is Llagas, currently enrolled in the subject Living in the IT Era, section IM1. Today we will be discussing the components of computer system, history, evolution, hardware, and the software. History of the computer. Computers span centuries involving from the simple calculating devices to the complex machine we use today. Early devices like abacus laid the foundation with later innovation like Charles Babbage's analytical engine, introducing the concept crucial to modern computers. The 20th century saw the rise of electronic computers from the large ENIAC to development transistors and integrated circuits which paved the way to personal computers and microprocessors. The early mechanical devices. Late 3000 BC, the first invention is the abacus. Next is the Pascaline in 1642. Next is the stepped rocker 1673. Next is analytical engine in 1830s. The early electronic computers. In 1930s to 1940s, Z1 and Z3 was invented. In 1943 to 1945, ENIAC is invented. In 1943, Colossus was also invented. Transistors and the integrated circuits. In 1947, transistor was invented. In 1958, integrated circuits was invented. Microprocessors and personal computers. Microprocessors was invented in 1970s. In 1975, Altair 8800 was invented. In 1977, Apple II Commodore PET TRS-80 was also invented. And in 1981, IBM PC was invented. And now, in these modern times, this will be the modern computers was running. Some like Apple's, Asus, and other brands. And now let's go to the five hardware components. The first hardware components is the motherboard. Motherboard is the computer main circuit board. It is a thin plane holds the CPU, memory, sensors for the hard drive, optical drives, expansion cards to control the video and audio, and the connection to your computer ports, such as USB ports. The motherboard connects directly or indirectly in every parts of the computer. Next is the power supply unit. All of the parts of the computer system receive electricity from the power supply unit or PSU. It changes AC electricity from a plug into DC that the computer can use internally. Next is the GPU. A graphic processing unit is a specialized processor that is made to handle difficult graphical calculation. They are primarily employed in the reading of graphic video editing, gaming, 3D modeling, and graphically demanding tasks. Next is the random access memory or RAM. RAM is the short-term storage space used by CPU to hold data and instructions that are presently being processed. It takes data accessible quickly, improving system performance. The capacity of multitask and overall speed is impacted by RAM size. Next is central processing unit. The CPU acts the computer's brain, carrying out the calculation and carrying out instruction. It supervises the flow of information throughout the system, interprets the analysis data, and commands other hardware parts. Next, we'll go to three types of software. First is system software. System software directly operates and controls computer hardware, managing the computer source and providing the environment for other software run. The function is to manage entire system including the operating system, the device system, and firmware system. Example of it is the Microsoft Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Next is the application software. Application software is designed to help users perform specific tasks or achieve particular goals. The function of it is allows user to complete a variety of tasks such as writing documents, browsing internet, or managing spreadsheets. For example, is the for web browsers is Chrome's and Firefox's. For word processors, let's like Microsoft Words. Next is programming software. Programming software, also known as development tool. It is used software develops to create, test, and maintain other software. The function of it is provides the necessary tool for writing code, debugging programs, and developing new application. The example of it is the text editors, debuggers, compilers, and interprets, which helps develop, translate, and run human readable code into machine readable instruction. And that's all for today. Good day. Thank you, everyone.